Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you miss the school as we all miss you over here. You know why I'm here? Do you have an idea about it? Yes, you do have an idea about it because I am here to teach you. So, what I'm going to teach you today? I'm going to teach you maths for the 4th week because it's the 4th week, so my lecture would be for the 4th one. And your class is nursery, so it is for the little angels. I'm over here. So what I'm gonna teach you today, the interesting question is what I'm gonna teach you over here. So let me introduce you what I'm gonna teach you over here. My topic is introduction of number 7. What my topic is? Introduction of number 7. As you all learned earlier, many numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You have learned 6 numbers. Now it's turn for the 7th one. So let's see what we have in box for you guys. Okay, so my number is 7. It's 7, 7, 7. So let's see. How are you going to count the 7? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have learned earlier these numbers. Now we are moving towards 7. It's a 7 number in the counting. So you have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 earlier, and today is the turn of 7. It's a 7, 7, 7. So what else you can do? You have fingers on your hands, right? You have fingers on your hand, and let me count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So make a smile with a 7. So, what else I'm gonna tell you over here? First, it's a 7. It's the 7th number in the counting. You can call it a digit or you can call it a number, whatever you like. So now, moving towards its writing pattern. How I'm gonna write number 7. So let's see. I'm gonna do a slip pattern. Right, and then I'm gonna do a slanted line like this. First I'm gonna do a slip pattern, then I'm gonna do a slanted lines, so it will make a number 7. So what it is? It is 7, 7, 7. You have read 1. You have read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now comes number 7. So you have learned from 1 to 7. So these are all numbers from your counting. You started with 1. Now you came on 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What it is? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What it is? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my dear students, my dear little angels, it's number 7. So my dear students, we have learned how to write it. It's a 7. So what we gonna do is, we gonna put a dot over here and over here. First we'll do the slip pattern and then we do the slanted line. So that's how we are gonna write 7. First we gonna make the slip pattern like this, and then we gonna do the slanted line. So it's gonna make number 7. What else you can do? You can count number 7 at your home as well. For example, collect things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count on them till 6. And then when the 7th thing comes, you count on them 7. Like I have put the dots over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how gonna you learn number 7. Do revise your first previous numbers so that you know that where it comes. Like before 7 it comes 6, before 6 comes 5, before 5 comes 4, before 4 comes 3, before 3 comes 2, and before 2 comes 1. So we started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and move towards number 7. So it's 7, 7, 7. So my dear students, you have learned today what number? 7 number. What number you have learned today? 7. What number you have learned today is 7. So here we put a dot over here and over here. First we do a slip pattern. And then we join the dot with the slanted lines. 7, 7 and 7. I hope you practice this at your home, but before that, let me show you something. Maths notebook, right? It's your maths notebook. And now we are moving towards pages. So on page number 38, here is written 7, right? You have learned over here 7, my dear students, my little angels, you have learned over here number 7. Now you are seeing the same number on your copy as well, right? So it's a 7, it's a very cute number, 7. So first, here they have given 7 tomatoes. You know 7 tomatoes? You would have tomatoes at your home, right? Go in the kitchen, ask your mama where the tomatoes are and count your tomatoes. Like I'm going to count over here. For example, 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that's how you're gonna learn number 7. You can count in your room, you can count things in your room, you can count things in your kitchen, wherever you like. So you need to count from 1 till 7. On page number 39, there is a number written 7. So what you supposed to do is, my dear little angels, you are gonna hear practice. You're gonna hear practice. What? Number 7, which I have told you over here, and number 7 over here. First you draw the slip pattern and then you go for the slanted lines. That's how you're gonna make the number 7. It's super easy, super cool. Now we are moving towards page number 40. Yes, page number 40. And what you are seeing over here? You have seen over here a very beautiful, what are these? Are these rabbit or sparrows? What are these? I think these are sparrows. So what you want to do is trace the dotted lines and color the picture. First you need to do slip pattern, like that's how you want to make the face of the sparrow, and then you do a slanted line. That's how you're gonna make these pictures. Follow the dots, and then after following the dots, completing the number 7, color them up. So you will learn how to make a sparrow, and plus you will learn how to write a 7. So again on page number 41, you are gonna practice the same number 7 which you have learned in this lecture, right? So my lecture for the today was number 7. Okay, my lecture for today was number 7, and now you are gonna practice the same number on your notebooks as well. So it's a very interesting thing, right? You're gonna learn a new thing, sparrows. You're gonna make the sparrows over here, and you're gonna make the number 7 over here as well. So do practice this work at home. And so today we're gonna learn from your math workbook. What you're gonna learn today is, you're gonna learn today is a very interesting topic. You know, it's very interesting. You will love it. It's unit number 4, and our topic for today is comparing. So what does the comparing means? First we learn what comparison is. Comparing or comparison is the same thing. So my dear students, first I'm going to tell you what the comparison is. Comparison means if we draw some similarities and some dissimilarities, that is called comparing. Like you have two things in your hand and you need to compare them up. So how you gonna compare? For example, you have seen over here these blocks. These are the very pretty blocks. So what you're gonna do is, these all are square in shape, as you see, right? These are same shape. Okay, in this, what you are gonna learn is the similarity between them is they all are in same shape, but they have different sizes. You know what the size mean is? Size mean is it's the larger, it's the big one, and it's the smallest. It's the smaller one. Like if you compare these two only, then it's the larger one and this is the smaller one. So that's how you compare the things. Like you see, what is the similarity? Similarity is they have the same shape, right? एक जैसे हैं. But what the dissimilarity is? Dissimilarity means its size, its height is larger than this box. So my dear students, what you wanna learn is today, what you wanna learn is similarities and dissimilarities. For example, you wanna compare the thing and you wanna learn how to compare them up. You can learn it at your home as well. For example, how many siblings do you have? You have 2 siblings or 3 siblings, like your sister or your brother. So what you're gonna do is, you stand with them and you measure your heights. For example, your elder brother would have a larger height and your height might be the lowest one, because if you are the eldest one, then your height would be better or would be bigger than your the last sibling. So here we are gonna learn the comparison. So we are gonna start with these flowers, these little flowers. Yes, you might have at your home as well. So my dear little angels, as you see a number of flowers in my hand. So what you're gonna do is, you see it's a flower, you see it's a flower, you see it's a flower again, it's a flower again, and the same flower again. But what the difference is, this flower is larger, this flower is larger, same in color. Their color is very beautiful, white and yellow, right? Like this, white and yellow. But their sizes are different. They are from the same plant. Their color is white and yellow. Look, It's very beautiful. It's very innovative, like white, yellow and green. You have seen it in your schools. So it's the larger one. It's a bit smaller than this one. It's a bit smaller than this one. Then again this one, and this is the smallest one. So what you're gonna learn today is what is the largest thing and what is the smallest thing. So first, from these flowers, this is the largest one and this is the smallest one. So this is a comparison, like you are comparing what is the big and what is small. Again, moving towards same things. Yes. Look at these. These are very beautiful. Okay. So what we are seeing over here is, if we measure from head to toe, like if you look at this and you look at this, look. If we measure from this side to this side, then we see that this one is bigger and this one is smaller. Like if you put like this, then you see that this one is the bigger one and this one is the smallest one in these two. So moving towards are the next things. You have seen these beautiful blocks over here. So what you are gonna learn today is, if you see, they are same in length जो है that is same, but what you see is their sizes are different. It's like a stairs. From this you are moving toward this, then this, then you are moving towards this, then this, then this, then this, and then this one. So what you are learning in these blocks are that this one is the largest one and this one is the smallest one. So you know what is largest? Largest is the big one, the things which are big in number, like how I'm gonna tell you, like this. You see, these are the number of blocks, right? You have seen, if I put it over here, yes, it's a very beautiful thing for a comparison. Like you have seen this, the block at the last is the largest one, and beautiful block, and it's a very good example of the comparison, my dear students. So this one is the biggest one, that's why it's put it at the end. So we are putting the weight over it, and then this, and we are going toward this. It's a very little one. So this is the comparison towards this. If we compare this one to this one, then you can see this one is the biggest one and this one is the smallest one. It's nothing according to this size. Like look at this. It's the biggest in size and it's the smallest in size. So same thing you are gonna practice on your this book. What you are gonna learn is, tick at the largest in each set and cross on the smallest in each set. So what you're gonna learn is, there is a set of leaf. They all are same in color, green color. So very beautiful color. You like it, I know that. And if you see, you put a tick over here. Why you put a tick over here? Because if you look at this picture, then my dear students, what you're gonna learn, that you're gonna see that this picture, this leaf is small in size and this leaf is the largest in size. So same thing, it's the comparison that these things are same in color, same in shape, okay? And then this is the largest one and this is the smallest one. And we go on this one. So what do you see? You see this one is the biggest one. According to this, and this one is the smallest one. As I told you over there, this one is the biggest one and this one is the smallest one. Same, look at the flowers, like I told you over here, flowers. This flower is a big in size, it's a bigger one, and this flower is smaller in size, so it's the smallest one. So very easy practice. So if you see at the mushrooms, so what you see, height, you have seen the height of a mushroom, right? So what you see, this mushroom is bigger than this one, and this mushroom is the smallest, it's the smallest in size. You see it's smaller in size, so you cross over here and you put a tick over here on the bigger one and the smaller one with the cross. Again you have the exercise you have on page number 15. So on page number 15, what you're gonna do is color the tallest red, color the shortest blue. What you have seen this picture, right? So in this picture, what you want to do is put a scale, then over here draw a line, then you see that this building is larger in size, so you color it with red. You have colors at home, right? So you want to color this building with red, and you are going to color this building, because it's the smallest one, with blue. So you are going to color them up with the red and this one with the blue. This one is the largest one and this one is the smallest one. Again, if you see, look at in these trees, so you see this tree is slightly larger than this one. Okay, then we are moving towards this tree. So this tree, we are gonna see that this tree is the larger, so we color this tree with red and then we color this tree with blue. So you're gonna color them up. Then, like, look at this. It's a very beautiful example you have seen at your home. It's like your family. You're gonna see your mother, your father. You can do it at your home as well, and you're gonna do the same exercise over here. For example, you all need to stand in a one line. Your father, your mother, your sister, and your brother. Then what you're gonna do is you ask them who is the biggest one and who is the smallest one. So according to that, look, their brother is larger in height, so you color them with red, and this daddy is smaller in height, so you gonna color them with blue. So that's how you're gonna compare the things up. You wanna color them up. So if we are moving towards page number 16, so what on page number 16 you see draw tails on these monkeys. You have seen monkeys, you have seen monkeys in the zoo, you have seen monkeys in the jungle, you have seen in the roads as well, right? They were doing different kind of tricks for the people, so they amuse them. You have seen the monkeys, you like the monkeys, right? So what you're gonna do is, these monkeys have a tail, but what we have done over here is their tails are missing, right? So what we are gonna do is we are gonna make their tails according to your will, and then you're gonna compare them up. If you make the tail of this monkey, then what you gonna do? You're gonna see which monkey tail is the bigger one and which monkey tail is the smallest one. You see this tail, then this tail, this, and then this. You have seen. Now what you are gonna do is, whose tail is the longest one and whose tail is the smallest one. You see, if I can see over here, then you need to draw first tail. Then you made the comparison at your own. It's for your activity, it's for your learning. That's how you're gonna make the bigger tail at some monkeys and how you're gonna make the lower, like smallest tail at some monkeys. So draw it according to your way, whatever you like, and then write it down whose tail is biggest one and whose tail is smallest one. Now we are moving towards our page number 17. So what you see over here is, compare these coins. You always get money from your parents. You always get that, I know. And you get the things from the canteens from that. So this is 1 rupee coin, this is 2 rupee coin, this is 5 rupee coin. These coins are almost different in sizes, plus they have different colors as well. So 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, collect your coins at home from your mother and from your father, जिनसे भी आप pocket money लेते हैं. Then cross out the coin that is different in each side. Now what you're gonna do is, you know what is one coin, 1 rupee coin, what is the 2 rupee coin, what is the 5 rupee coin. So if you see in this picture, then it's a 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin is a set of 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, and you see 2 rupee coin. So we are gonna put cross over here because it's not the same as 1 rupee coin. It's 1 rupee more in this coin, so it's a 2 rupee coin. Then we are moving towards these coins. So it's a 5 rupee coin. 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees. But if you see over here closely, it's written 1. So it's lesser in number. So it's a 1 rupee coin. So we're gonna put a cross over here. Again, the same thing. 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee, 2 rupee, and then we see a 5 rupee coin. So we're gonna put the cross on 5 rupee coin. Same with this one, 1 rupee, 1 rupee coin, and you see 5 rupee coin. So it's a bigger number. So we're gonna put the cross over here because rest the coins are same in number, but this one is the biggest one. Now we are going to see that here is 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee, 5 rupee, 5 rupee, and now it's 1 rupee. So we're going to put the cross on the 1 rupee coin. Same with the 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee, 2 rupee, 2 rupee, and you're going to see 1 rupee coin. So we're going to put cross on 1 rupee coin. So that's all for today about our comparison chapter. So I hope you learned, and I hope you enjoyed the lecture as well. What we have learned today? We have learned today number 7, right? And we have learned today comparison. Comparison between things, right, my dear students? So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna sit back at your home, you're gonna learn the comparison between the things, which one is the largest, which one is the smallest, and again you wanna write the number 7 on your notebooks. My dear students, till then you practice your work at home so that when you come to school, you come like a shining star, like a little angel. So please do practice at home, stay safe, stay home, and Allah Hafiz.